Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to clone Windows from one disk to another. This is basically helpful if you want to migrate from a hard disk drive to an SSD, but it's not limited to hard disk drive on an SSD. Maybe you are building a new system. Having a Windows installation disk ready without doing any further steps is just plain awesome. So without further ado, let's get started. So you'll need two things, two drives of course, one with Windows. So this is the drive that I'm using right now, and a second drive and a software that's AMA Backup. You can just go to the site and download it. It has a paid version too, but for our needs, the free version will do. Let's just open the software and let's just go to clone. It has four options. What we are interested in is just clone. So it clones a hard disk drive to another. Now what you can do is copy your hard disk drive and copy the Windows hard disk drive to a second drive, but it will not work. This software takes care of all the updation of the partitions. Now my source disk is this. I am booted off of this disk, and since I'm moving to a smaller disk, I have to make sure that this disk, the size of the data on this disk is less than or equal to the size of this disk. So that's 111.80. So you need to make sure that the data size of this disk is less than or equal to this disk. I'll just click on this and now it says destination disk. I'll just select my destination disk and that's that. It says after the operation, the existing partitions will be deleted. I know that. You can just pause the video and read everything right here. I'll just click on OK. My operation summary, it has an option of SSD alignment, but in my experience, this does nothing. I'll just check it just for the heck of it. Now start clone and it will start cloning. Now this is not a fast process. This is a slow process. It says updating system information, copying volume, copying data, update system information again. It will get stuck on 48% for quite a while now, because let's just open it and let's just click on this link. As soon as I've clicked on it, and so I clicked on this link, the logs opened up. Now it says system updating, so it will update the system, and after a few seconds, as you can see, it's analyzing the volume. What this step does is analyzes my source disk and sees if it will fit on that destination disk. So this takes care of that, because if it does not do that, if it just starts copying and my destination disk is small, everything will be a mess in my opinion. So I have 622,000 something files with me. That's files, not data. So it will analyze the volume, check my destination disk, and then start copying. Now this process takes a lot of time, 40 to 50 minutes for my data. It might be more or less based upon the data on your Windows disk. I do not install programs on my C drive, only important programs. Anyways, what I recommend is grabbing a cup of coffee, watching Netflix, because this will take a lot of time. So watch an episode or two, watch a movie, and I'll catch you on the other side. So as you can see, the files have been copied. I'll just close this. Now my system is updating. Let it just finish. And it says congratulations, the clone task has been completed successfully. I'll just close this, close and finish, and close the software. I'll open the Explorer and I'll open another one. Okay, let's put them side by side. So this is the disk. This is my source disk, and this is my destination disk. As you can see, everything is copied as it is. Even the dates are copied as it is. That's pretty awesome. Now all you gotta do is just go to your BIOS, select that destination disk, and boot off from it. That's it. That's how easy cloning Windows is. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Help the YouTube algorithm help my channel in getting more views. If you hated the video, you can hit the other button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. I'll catch you in the next one.